Yo, what's good, everyone? Today we're gonna go over the trade we took today, Monday, October 6th. We caught a pretty good short today. I mean, it was honestly really clear. Price action so far since quarter four has been just super good overall. Like, really no reason to be taking any unnecessary L's. But starting the day, you can see pretty much the whole day we've been in premium. So automatically, with us being in premium, like we would just rather take shorts. Just makes more sense based on where we're at. So we also had a monthly SSMT at the highs here, as we see NQ took out the previous week's high, but ES and YM both failed to do so. So from there, that's just already one confluence that we want to go short. We did have a weekly SMT from last Friday that was in place and confirmed, but again, we were just so overextended to the highs. There was really no reason to be looking for longs at the time. It was also like a weekly because it was also with Friday's high. So the previous quarter took that high on NQ, and YM and ES again failed to do so. So next we go to the daily. We could see that NQ again took London high here, but YM failed to do so. YM was trading underneath London high. So again, that's just another SSMT that gives us just more confluence that we want to go short here. So pretty much at this point, like all I'm looking for is just confirmation to enter, because at this point, like, we have enough confluences to know that we want to go short. So at this point, I'm just looking for, targets, where I want to enter and stuff. And we can see at the time, it was before this down move right here. We did have a unmitigated 4-hour gap. Um, Maybe it was a 1-hour gap. Yeah, 1-hour gap here. So we had a gap that wasn't filled in yet. So that was just a pretty clean target for us. And then we go down to the 5-minute. And we can see we also got a 90-minute SSMT here. As we can see, previous quarter high right here. NQ failed to do so. So now NQ is a failure swing. So again, that just shows us that NQ at this point is the weaker asset because it's failing to take these highs. So it's just another reason to favor shorts in this scenario. And as you can see, YM did take out that high, giving us the SSMT. I believe ES might have took it out too. Maybe not. It was pretty close. But yeah. So at that point, we start looking for entries. So I just scale down to the 1 minute. Scroll over here. And then, again, just super clear. I had another microcycle right here. NQ took the high. Well, actually, NQ at first was the failure swing. And then it traded, because this candle right here took the high on YM. So that's where our micro was originally formed. So our TCISD would be on the most previous up close candle, which was this candle right here, the 922 candle, I believe. But you see, we confirm it, and then we trade back above it. So now all assets have technically traded above the previous micro quarter high. However, it is still a hidden SSMT. As we can see, this is the highest body close on NQ. We trade above it over here, right? We close above it, sorry. Same with ES, we close above the previous quarter's highest close. But in YM, we failed to actually close above this high. So it's still a micro SSMT. It's just now a hidden SSMT, which are a little harder to spot, but they hold really well. And I tend to think they perform better than just normal sequential SMTs. And then we did also leave this 1-minute gap here. So still have our TCISD right here, which we end up confirming, as well as we inverse the 1-minute gap. So this next candle, I just wait for the candle to open, stab back into this TCISD, which we did, which is where I enter. Just put my stops on the micro high, and then I'm just targeting, it's a 1 to 3, but it's pretty much just EQ of this gap down below us. And yeah, we can see, I mean, it plays out pretty good. I mean, it took what, 10, 11 minutes maybe. Very quick trade. But yeah, overall, I mean, that's it. Good trade on the day. Just Price action, I mean, you just have to take advantage of moments like this when price has just been delivering so clean for like the past 2 weeks now. Quarter four started. Just gotta take action. You gotta get in these trades. But I hope y'all find something valuable in here. Hopefully you can learn something. Check out all my other socials on Twitter, TikTok at PMAC Trades. I post every trade I take on there. So it's not just these, it's every single trade. But yeah, appreciate it. Peace.